In today's video, I'm going to share with you some of the best English channel that really helped me a lot in my English journey. Hello everyone, welcome back to Shama's English journey and I hope you all are doing great. And if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Without further ado, let's get started. I personally learned a lot from these teachers. Each one has their own unique style of teaching. And I believe if you follow them, you will definitely see a big improvement in your English. The first channel that really helped me a lot in my English journey is Alina Reis. Yes, my friends. Alina Reis explains everything in very easy and clear way. Anyone can understand her. And the best part is that she never makes English boring. If you watch her for 1 full hour, you will not get bored because she uses real life examples while teaching grammar and vocabulary. She makes English simple to learn. And if you want to speak English in a very easy and clear way, Alina Reis is the best choice. The second channel is Speak with Tiffany. Tiffany is a very popular English teacher in English. Her focus is on building sentences and expressing yourself. When I started watching her, I realized how to make longer sentences and how to connect my thoughts in English. She explains step by step with examples. And you can really feel like you are in a classroom with her. And if you want to improve your sentence structure and fluency, Tiffany channel is amazing. Even if you are not in the mood to listen to English, just open Tiffany's channel and play any video. You will instantly get so energetic and motivated. Her energy is so powerful and that you will not even realize when you finish watching the whole video. The third channel is Speak English with Vanessa. Vanessa is one of the most loved English teacher worldwide. Her teaching is very natural and friendly. She uses real conversations, daily expressions and vocabulary in context. And also she teaches pronunciations and listening skills, which makes your English sound natural. And her shadowing practice method is really powerful for fluency. If you want to speak English more natural and confidently, Vanessa channel is perfect for you. The fourth channel is Shivangi Gupta. Shivangi Gupta is a very good English teacher. She explains everything in a very easy English. Her focus is on daily use sentences and speaking practice. And the best thing about her, she makes English learning feel very comfortable. You don't feel pressure, you just feel motivated. And if you are starting your English journey, Shivangi Gupta is the best teacher for you. Shivangi Gupta has a very friendly and clear style of teaching. She makes you feel like she is personally guiding you. Her videos focus on real life conversations and confidence building. And the last one, the channel name is English with Ima. Ima explains English grammar and vocabulary in a very simple way. Her lessons are easy to understand, even for beginners. She also teaches useful tips for IELTS exams. And the best thing about her, she speaks clearly and slowly. So you can follow her without any problem. So friends, these are the English channels that really helped me improve my English. Each one has their own unique style of teaching. But one thing is common. They all remind us English is not about perfection, it's about practice. Tell me in the comment which English channels inspire you the most. I have shared all the channel links in the descriptions. Don't forget to check them out. Thank you so much for watching. So if you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Keep watching my friends. See you in the next video. Bye.